Welcome back everyone, and thank you for joining me today with yet another miscellaneous video. To start this video, I'm going to present a small trick. Believe me, it is relevant. Here I have an empty card holder with a deck of cards. Soon I will be quickly going through the cards. This is just to show how I'm going to do it. Now keep an eye, choose one card. That was quick, but hopefully you did manage to choose a card. Now, I think I have found your card, and I'm going to place it into the card holder. And then I'm going to reveal what you have actually chosen, which will be the Four of Hearts. Not quite right. Well, I'll try again. Try not to blink. This video was completely shot on the Galaxy Z Fold 2 camera. Now I have managed to find your card. Here's a list of the hardware specifications of the Galaxy Z Fold 2. As you can see, we've got some pretty cool stuff there, like 12 gigabytes of RAM. Now I have used this phone as my main phone for the last couple of days. Soon I will be testing some multitasking features like the split screen feature. Here I'm using the external display and I can still text while I'm attending a Zoom meeting on the left. I found the high refresh rate screen very hard to differentiate from the normal refresh rate. However, I did enjoy the way that the phone actually utilizes its hinges. It is an awesome adjustment, an awesome upgrade from the first generation. With that said, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 has one of the best screens in the market. Can you spot the phone in the following two photos? Here I believe I have pushed the Galaxy Z Fold 2's external screen off its limits by running 3 applications simultaneously on that screen. I was texting and I was replying to my brother on WhatsApp and attending Zoom meeting via the front-facing camera at the same time. If you half fold the Galaxy Z Fold 2, you can actually utilize the top half and the bottom half by doing 2 separate things. Here I'm actually taking a photo and looking at the preview of that same photo using the second part of the screen. Let me show you a couple of photos taken by the Z Fold 2, followed by a video of a Chinese man singing an Iraqi song. At the end of the day, everything's made in China.
ميحانة 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 غابت الشمسنا الحلو ما جانا.
I love the fact that you can actually watch your previously recorded videos while deciding what you are going to do next. For example, an augmented reality doodle, which is something I am actually experiencing on the Fold for the first time. Auto framing works really well on the Z Fold 2. Here I'm just moving around and the phone is doing its job to keep me within the frame. Reading on the Z Fold 2 is a pleasant experience. You can just start on the external display and continue on the internal one. The phone has a dual speaker system that gives you an immersive sound experience. It is definitely one of the best speakers I have ever experienced on a smartphone. In comparison to the first Fold, the Z Fold 2 now allows you to take a selfie using the external screen. When it comes to the gaming experience, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 has it all. Here I am testing Call of Duty Mobile, followed by ZFold2. Now I tried to shift between the external and the internal screen on both Call of Duty and ZFold2. I did manage to do it using ZFold2, however Call of Duty had to restart to adjust to the smaller or bigger display. Overall, I did manage to get a great battery life out of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 compared to my previous Note 20 Ultra. I did remove my phone from the charger at about 6 a.m. and it lasted until 10 p.m. and I tried to focus on things that do drain the battery, such as videos or even a Zoom meeting. At some point, I had a Zoom meeting for about 1.5 hours and also spent some time on TikTok and WhatsApp. Overall, I got about 6 hours of usage and I used all sorts of things. I was browsing at some point, doing emails, attending a Zoom meeting, and also browsing and doing some research. Finally, I was tempted to test the Pro Video Focus feature. Look at the blur behind me and watch it as it disappears. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to share and subscribe, and if you have any questions or you want me to test anything in particular, please do leave me a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.